All right, so this is lesson 22, guys, understanding equivalent fractions. All right, so look at this number line right here. Use the number line to find pairs of equivalent fractions. Now, it's going to be a lot easier if the number lines are drawn for you already like this compared to if you do them. All right. So one way I like to do is take a highlighter, not you, me. I got it. Take a highlighter and go straight down. Does 1/6 have an equivalent fraction? Is there a fraction underneath 1/6? No, I don't think so. I don't think so. Let's see. Is 3/6 equivalent to 2/4? Yes. Are there any other fractions that are equivalent? No, see, because look, there's no fraction underneath 1/6. There's no fraction above 1/4. There's no fraction below 2/6. No fraction below 4/6. No fraction above 3/4. No fraction below 5/6. No. So the only fraction that is equivalent, the only pair of equivalent fractions is what? What are they? 3/6 and 2/4. 191. Okay, it says use the fraction bars below. Okay, to show 1/4 is equal to 2/8. You can get a crayon, highlighter, Dorelli, doesn't matter. So 491. So out of all these four right here, how many am I going to shade in to show 1/4? How many am I going to shade in? How many am I going to shade in? Two of them? It says 1/4. My denominator is 1. How many am I going to shade in? One. One. Okay. And how many eighths am I going to shade in? Two of them. Are they equal? Yes or no? Yes, I shaded the same amount. All right. It says here, Cooper drew these models. He says they showed 2/3 is equal to 2/6. What did Cooper do wrong? Do you think he's wrong or right? Are both models the same size? If they're supposed to be the same size, then they're supposed to be like this. Like that. Are they the same size? No, they're not the same size. Okay, he was supposed to add a couple more here. A couple more here to make it true. Something like this. Okay, then they would be equivalent. And then maybe he could even cut both of these in half to make it equivalent, but he didn't. Okay, both models have to be the same size and the same amount on each has to be shaded in. Okay, now look at this on 491. It says draw markers on the number line below to show eighths. Okay? So if it says eighths, how many sixes am I going to need? 8 of them, right? I already have half. Then cut this in half. That's 4 sections. And we needed how many? So whatever I'm doing, you're doing, right? And let's see, did I make eights? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, yes, I did. So just like this. Which eighth is equivalent to 1/2? Well, so eighths means that my denominator is 8, right? And how many is from 0 to 1/2? How many is from here to 1/2? How many sections? 5? Whoa, go ahead and jump. Jump, and you tell me how many. How many? See? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this. Some of you are doing this. Look, you're doing this instead. You're doing this. You're doing this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I didn't say count the lines from 0 to 1, from 0 to 1/2. You were supposed to count. You're supposed to hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So how many eighths is 1/2? 4 eighths. That's it. Says 4 friends each ate a part of their own granola bar. Okay, all the granola bars were the same size. So we got Meg, Joe, Beth, and Amy. I would say Army, but that's not. It's not it. Amy. Okay. Meg ate 4/6. Okay. So how many sixes am I going to divide Meg's granola bar? 4/6. My denominators tell me how many sixes I need, guys. So Meg's it has how many sections? 6. Something like this. Okay. Joe ate 4/8. So how many sixes am I going to divide Joe's bar? How many sixes am I going to do Joe's bar? 8 sections. Just half of that, and then half of that. Beth had 6/8. How many sixes am I going to do Beth's? 6/8. How many sixes do I need total? 8 of them. Okay, and then Amy ate 2/3. How many sixes am I going to need for Amy? Huh? 3. All right. So then now, Meg ate 4/6, right? So how many sixes am I going to shade in? 4. Thanks. Joe ate 4/8. How many sixes am I going to highlight for Joe? 4. Beth ate 6/8. How many sixes am I going to highlight for Beth? 2. And then Amy ate 2/3. How many sixes am I going to highlight for Amy? 2. So now that we labeled everybody's granola bar, we can answer our questions. Okay. It says, which two friends ate the same amount of granola bar? Meg and who? Meg and Joe. Look, if I go straight down like this, who had the same? Meg and Amy. Yes. Meg and Amy. Not Meg and Joe. Look, if I did a straight line down, Beth ate the most, Joe ate the least, and Meg and Amy ate the same amount. Okay. It says Fred divided his granola bar in 2/4. He ate the same amount as Beth. Okay, label the number line to show how much Beth ate. Draw another number line for Brett's granola bar below it. So Beth ate how much? How much did Beth ate? Beth. This is Beth, everybody. Beth. How much? 6/8. Okay. Joe divided his in 2/4. So here's my number line. For Joe, I'm going to do his at the bottom. So this is 0, 1. He divided his was eighths. Into fourths. Like that. And he ate the same amount as Beth. So let me do this. If he ate the same amount as Beth, let's see. Oh, what is the fraction of his granola of this granola bar did Fred eat? How much did I highlight? On Fred here at the bottom. Okay, there's 4 sections. How much sections did I highlight? 1, 2, 3. So what fraction of his granola bar did Fred eat? How much did he eat? 3/4, because it's the same amount as Beth. See? They both end at the same. 6/8. 6/8 is what Beth ate. 3/4 is what Fred ate. It's the same.